This video will teach you how to solve systems of equations by the calculator. First, you need to set up two matrices, matrix A and matrix B. Matrix A is a coefficient matrix containing only the coefficients, and matrix B is a matrix that contains the constants on the right side of the equations. The idea is that we have matrix A with the coefficients multiplied by x that represents all the variables equals the matrix B, which are the numbers or constants on the right side of the equations. Now, in order to solve for x, we need to take the inverse of matrix A on both sides. When we take the inverse of matrix A, these cancel out. They become the identity matrix. So we have x equals A inverse times B. And this is a calculation that we'll use in our calculator. We'll take the inverse of matrix A and multiply it by matrix B. Let's take a look at two examples. The first example has a system of equations with two variables x and y. First, we'll set up matrix A. Matrix A, again, is the coefficient matrix, so it will contain these numbers here: 3, 2, 2, and -1. And matrix B is a matrix containing the constants on the right side, which are 6 and -3. Now our calculation will always be the inverse of matrix A multiplied by matrix B. To enter in a matrix, press second, matrix, then go to the right over to the edit menu and choose matrix A. If you have a used calculator, you may have a matrix already stored. If that is the case, then we'll just type over the numbers that you have in your calculator. So matrix A is a 2 by 2 matrix. That is called the order. So we have to enter in 2 at the top, and then you press enter, and then 2 again, and press enter. So it changes the size to a 2 by 2 like we have here, and we enter in each number: 3, enter, 2, enter, 2 again, enter, and then -1. Alright, so this is matrix A stored in our calculator. Now we need to go enter matrix B into the calculator. Press second, matrix, go to the right to edit, and choose matrix B. Tell it the order. Matrix B is a 2 by 1 matrix, 2 rows and 1 column. So enter that in at the top, and then enter in 6 and -3. So here is matrix B stored in the calculator. Now we need to get back to the home screen, so press second, mode, to quit. And this is where we'll do our calculation, A inverse B. Now we have to get the inverse of matrix A. So we need to call up the matrix that we stored. We'll press second, matrix again. And here under names, we'll call up each matrix. So I'll press enter to choose matrix A. Now we need to hit the inverse key, which is right here, x with the -1 power. That'll take the inverse of our matrix. And then we need to multiply this by b. So press second matrix again and call up the name b. So this will always be our calculation, solving systems of equations by a matrix. Press enter, and the answer is 0, 3. This means that the x value is 0 and the y value is 3. That makes both equations true. Now let's take a look at a larger systems of equations and solve this using our calculator. So first we'll set up two matrices, matrix A containing the coefficients and matrix B containing the numbers on the right side. All right, so looking at the coefficients from the first equation, we have a 1x, a 2y, and a negative 3z. Then the next equation is a 2x, a negative 1y, and a 2z. And the last equation is 3, negative 1, and negative 4. Matrix B contains the numbers 9, negative 8, and 3. So we'll enter both matrices in our calculator, calculate the inverse of matrix A, and multiply it by B. I'm going to clear out the calculator. Now let's go enter in matrix A. Press second matrix. Go to the right to edit and choose matrix A. Now notice that it stored the previous matrix here in matrix A. So to enter in our new matrix, we'll just type over what we have. We have a 3 by 3 matrix. Matrix A contains 3 rows and 3 columns. So we type that in at the top, and notice that it changed the size of our matrix. So we'll go through and enter in the numbers. It's a good idea to double check and make sure that you have all your numbers entered correctly before you move on. Now let's go enter in matrix B. Second matrix. Go to the right to edit and choose matrix B. The order of matrix B is a 3 by 1. So we'll type this in at the top. We have 9, negative 8, and 3 in this matrix. Now we need to get back to the home screen, so press second mode. We'll call up matrix A, second matrix. Here is the name A. Press enter. Then hit the X inverse key. And then call up the name B, second matrix, matrix B. Press enter. And our answer is negative 1, 2, and negative 2. The answer is displayed in order. The first number, negative 1, is the X variable, 2 is Y, and negative 2 is Z.